Hi students, this is the second video that I'm making about function of the pancreas, and this particular video is going to focus on the exocrine aspect of the pancreas, which this is the function of the pancreas that lets it act in a digestive fashion. So again, here's our picture with the microscope slide, and the last video was talking about the islet region of the pancreas, which produced the hormones insulin and glucagon from the beta and alpha cells. But this next part that we're going to talk about with the pancreas is talking about these cells in purple here, and these are called the acinar cells. And the acinar cells are involved in producing this substance called pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice, again, is giving the pancreas its digestive function. So the pancreas is really important to digestion because it produces 5 different pancreatic enzymes that help you digest your food. So the first of these is pancreatic amylase. And pancreatic amylase is similar to salivary amylase in that it splits carbohydrates into smaller sugars called disaccharides. So pancreatic amylase actually plays a greater role in digesting carbohydrates than does salivary amylase. The second enzyme that's made by the pancreas that's very important is pancreatic lipase. And pancreatic lipase is involved in splitting lipids into smaller subunits. And the pancreatic lipase is actually the most important enzyme that you have in your digestive system for digestion of fat. So if you didn't have pancreatic lipase, your gastric lipase would actually not be sufficient for you to digest fat. So pancreatic lipase is really critical for you to digest fat well at all. And then the third set of pancreatic enzymes are a group of 3 that act together, specifically to digest proteins. And the way that you say the names of these, it's trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase. And these 3 enzymes, the reason that you need multiple ones to split proteins is that different enzymes are needed. To split different proteins. So you actually have within your digestive system, let's see, at least 5 different protein splitting enzymes. And you need that many because proteins are a very diverse group chemically, and you need these multiple enzymes to split proteins. Pancreatic lipase. So when your pancreas makes those 5 enzymes, they are made within, remember, the acinar cells of the pancreas, and those cells put those digestive secretions into this network of pancreatic ducts, and then those drain into the main pancreatic duct, which is in the tan color here, and the pancreatic duct ends up joining with the bile duct that comes down from the gallbladder here. So here's the gallbladder, the liver would be up here, and the bile from the liver drains down into the bile duct, and the bile duct joins with the pancreatic duct in this region called the hepatopancreatic ampulla. So the word hepato comes from the liver, and then you have pancreatic coming from pancreas, and the ampulla is a cup-like region that then empties those secretions on into the small intestine. So you have chyme coming from the stomach and entering the small intestine, and when it reaches the small intestine, it's receiving bile from the liver and gallbladder and receiving the 5 digestive enzymes from the pancreas, and those enter here in the small intestine to help you further digest your food.